What if the stone you casually picked up from the ground was not ordinary at all? What if, hidden beneath dust and rough edges, it was a raw diamond, one of the most valuable natural materials on Earth? Across the internet, countless videos and posts claim that you can uncover this truth at home using nothing more than a simple SIM card scratch test. No laboratory, no expensive equipment, no expert knowledge, just a small piece of plastic and a bold claim. But can something as rare and scientifically complex as a diamond really be identified through scratching a SIM card? If diamonds are famous for their unmatched hardness, does damaging plastic truly prove anything? Or is this method just another widespread myth that feeds hope more than it delivers truth? In a world where misinformation spreads faster than facts, many people risk misidentifying ordinary stones as priceless gems, or worse, overlooking genuine ones. This raises a critical question. Can a simple home test reveal the identity of a raw diamond, or does true verification require more than what meets the eye? This article explores the logic behind the SIM card scratch test, examines its scientific limitations, and separates reality from illusion. By understanding what this test can and cannot tell us, readers will gain a clearer perspective on how raw diamonds should truly be examined and why professional evaluation remains the only reliable path to certainty.